All right, now that we've hit day 28, we can commence normal operations. And do a shout out to the people over at Dreame. They sent me out this pool vac last year. It's the Z1 Pro, and it's done a phenomenal job. And we're ready to put it in action for this year. This will be the first time it's run, so I'm going to take you along for that. But let's get going with it. So we have the Dreame next to the pool. What I'm going to do is turn it on and set it for just cleaning the bottom on a light suction, but I'm going to have to cut away when I go to put this in the pool to be able to start it with my phone app, which I can't do if the camera's running. So you'll miss a little bit of it, but there's nothing I can do about it. So we're going to power it on. That's its power on sequence. That's a boot up. Now right now it's set to clean the floor and walls. I want floor only. So there's this mode button. I'm going to press it once and move it to floor only, okay? Now this is where I have to cut away, and I'll be back with you after it goes into the pool and starts up. So actually we had a firmware update for this that I just did. We're going to set this back over to floor. That's floor only. And now I'm going to skip out and I'll be right back. Well, it's in the pool and it's running. The beauty of this is you can see the turbulence on the top. That means the jets are sucking. That's the vacuum action. It's going to stop moving, and it will randomly go around the whole pool. It knows the system, it knows the layout of the pool. So it knows that it's going to clean, and it knows that it's going to do the floor only, and it knows that it's going to be on a light cycle just one time. With day 28, you don't want to still be too aggressive, but you know, we've had a good cure on our plaster, and it's looking fantastic. You can see for yourself, the finish quality is impeccable. I see it's just doing this little thing there to get started. But that's it. Shout out to the people at Dreame. Had a great product, and it served me well last year, and we're going to let it go on its thing. Now I didn't want to get the walls yet because the walls require heavy suction because it actually climbs right up to the waterline and scrubs it. So for now, probably for the next, actually maybe for me for the next 3 or 4 weeks, I'm actually just going to run it floor only and just let things keep curing and hardening up. But that's it. First run of the Dreame Z1 Pro. Take care. Okay, so the vacuum had finished and it's out of the water. Now there wasn't much in the bottom, I will admit to you, but I'll show you what it cleaned. This is all that it got. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's not very much. Just some debris, okay? So we're going to rinse this out. Put it aside for the next use. I give it a good rinsing all over. And then this I just reverse rinse. Look at that. Some rocks had gotten into the pool and it picked them up. That's pretty good. Pretty good. Right, that's it. That's all there is to it. We're ready for the next time. Thanks for watching.